भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां शुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राश्य भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। टीका पेज नंबर 158। अद्वैतमेव 19th कारिका। अद्वैतमेव द्वैतात्मना परिणमते चेत् द्वैतमपि तात्विकं स्यात् इति आशंक्या। Earlier you said Advaitam is Karanam, Dvaitam is Karyam. Advaita Karanam appears as Dvaita Karyam. Then if Advaita is Satyam, Dvaita also should be Satyam. It should be Paramarthikam. Tatvikam Syat iti ashankyaha. After that, what is the pratika? Mayayeti, not Gayayeti. If it says Gayayeti, change it Mayayeti. Mayaja bhidyate yetan नान्यथाजं कथंचन तत्वतो भिद्यमाने हि मर्त्यताममृतं व्रजेत। मायया हि एतद् भिद्यते। The bheda between Karana and Karya or Sat and Asat, Mithya, is because of Maya. Maya hi etad bhidyate. Anyatha ajam kathanchana na bhidyate. Nanyatha jam. So, anyatha ajam kathanchana na vidyate. Maya vidyate. Bheda is because of Maya in ajam. Aja means Brahma is different from Anatma. This is because of Maya. Otherwise, there is no second entity where is the question of Bheda. Bheda means Anyonya Bhava. Now that you are studying Tarka Sangraha, you will know Bheda means Anyonya Bhava. Ghata Patayoho Bheda. Ghato Patat Bhidyate, they will say. Ghato Patat Bhidyate. Means Ghata is different from Pata. तत्वतो विद्यमाने ही मर्त्यताम अमृतम व्रजेत. तत्वतो विद्यमाने. If तत्वतः there was भेद between सद्वस्तु and other vastus, तत्वतः वास्तविक भेद if it was there, then Amritam Martyatam Vrajet. Amrita Vastu, Brahma Vastu will actually attain Martyatvam, mortality. Immortal will become mortal, which is not possible. Therefore, Tattvataha Bheda is not possible. This is called Arthapatti Pramana. See, if Devadatta was not eating at night, he would not be fat. Tattvataha, if Bheda was there, Amrita would become Martya. Since Amrita cannot be Martya, Amritasya Martyatva न उपपद्यते. अन्यथा उपपत्ति is there. अमृतस्य मर्त्यत्व न उपपद्यते. Therefore, तत्वतः भेदो नास्ति. So, Devadatta should be eating at night. How do we understand? It is just like that. Logically, just as Devadatta through Pratyaksha Pramana is seen fat. In the same way, through Yukti, immortal cannot become mortal. That is not possible. So then something else is wrong. What is the other thing? Bheda is mithya. Bheda is mayika. This is how Arthapatti Pramana works. How they say, water outside in the morning is not possible unless it must have rained last night. But somehow that Drishtanta is not common. Common Drishtanta is Devadatta. Because in Vedanta Paribhasha and all, that Drishtanta is given. Okay. Tika. Vivartavada anangikare doshamana. If you don't accept Vivartavada, then what is the dosha? Since that dosha is unacceptable, therefore you have to accept Vivartavada. तत्वतः विद्यमाने ही मर्त्यताम अमृतम बचे. पूर्वार्ध व्यावर्त्याम आशंकाम आदर्शयति. Purvardha means which part of the shloka? Purvardha means which part of the shloka? First line is correct. Purvardha means first half or earlier half. Means first two padas, not second pada, first two padas. First and second pada. Dvaitam bhashya now. Dvaitam advaita bheda ityukte. Now you see, Dvaitam advaita bheda. Now this is their bhasha, this is Nyaya language. Dvaitam advaita bheda means Dvaitam advaitat bhinnam. Dvaitam advaita bheda ityukte. द्वैतम अपि अद्वैतवत् परमार्थ सत इति. Then द्वैतम also just like advaita would be परमार्थ सत इति स्यात् कस्यचित् आशंका. Somebody may have such doubt. Advaita Bheda, if you take Bheda as Karyam, then it would be even better. Dvaitam Advaita Karyam iti ukte. If Dvaita is Advaita Karya, Advaita is Paramarthika, then Dvaita also will become Paramarthika. Why do we say Karana is Paramarthika and Karyam is Vivarta? This is the Ashanka. See Tippani number 2. कार्य कारणयोर लोके तुल्य सत्ताकत्व दर्शनात् इति भाव. Between कार्य and कारण there is तुल्य सत्ता, समान सत्ता. 4 number टिप्पणी you see. रेकणम इह परिणामवादेन उत्तरम च विवर्त वादेन बोधनेन वादेन. Vadena iti bodhyam. What is Rekanam, you know? Rekanam means Ashanka. I had never heard. You can see this Bade Maharaj Ji, the vocabulary also, he will use such words also. Rekanam. Most likely, this word is used by Sureshwaracharya Ji in some Brahadaranyaka Vartika. Okay. One Parinamavada, another Vivartavada. Why he is referring to? Because there is Karya Karana Vichara. In Karya Karana Vichara, either Karya is Parinama of Karanam or Karya is Vivarta of Karanam. So, wherever there is Karya Karana Vichara, in that, he says, in that Karya Karana Vichara, whatever is the nature of Karana has to be the nature of Karya. If Karana is Suvarna, Karya is Suvarna. If Karana is Mrittika, Karya is Mrittika. If Karana is Brahma, then Karya should be Paramartha Vastu. It cannot be Mithya. Therefore, Ashanka. So, in this Karya Karana Vichara, even though it is said Karana is Brahma, really we say Karana is, the Parinami Karana is Avidya only. Avidya is Karana, Avidya is Karya. Therefore, everything is Mithya. And Brahma is neither Karana nor Karya. This way, if you understand, you are free from this problem. That's why we say Maya. Okay. Ata aha iti. Yes, yat paramarth in Bhashya second line. Yat paramartha sad advaitam maya vidyate. Hi etat taimirika aneka chandravat rajjuhu sarpadharadibhir भेदैहि इव न परमार्थतो निरवयवत्वात् आत्मनः. यत परमार्थ सत, whatever is the परमार्थ सत वस्तु, अद्वैतम माया भिद्यते. परमार्थ सत अद्वैत माया भिद्यते. Because of Maya, it appears as Karya Karana. 2. How? एतत् माया ही एतत् भिद्यते. तैमीरिक अनेक चंद्रवत. One moon, because of Timira Bheda in the eyes, Timira dosha, it appears as Ekas Chandra Sadvitiyavat iti. One Chandrama appears as 2. Tika. Anumana is there. Vimato bhedo mithya bhedatvat chandradi bhedavat ityartha. Vimato bhedo. This bheda in Advaita is mithya because it is bheda. Chandradi bhedavat. Chandradi bheda will have mithyatva and bhedatva both. Bhedatvat mithya. So bheda in Brahma also is mithya bhedatvat. Vimataha bhedaha means Advaita bheda. In this way you understand. Means duality in Advaita. So Shruti is there, Neha Nanasti Kinchana. There is no Nana. Brahmani Kinchana Nana Nasti. Another Anumanam is there. Vimatam Tattvato Bhedarahitam Niravayavatvat Nityatvat Ajatvat Cha Vyatirekena Mridadivat Ityaha. Vimatam Brahma Tattvato Bhedarahitam. Tattvataha Brahma Bhedarahitam. Why Niravayavatvat? Because Brahma is Niravaya. Niravaya Vastu cannot have Bheda. Or Nitya Vastu, Aja Vastu. So Vimatam Advaitam Tattvataha Bhedarahitam. Tattvika Bheda is not there. Mayika Bheda is there. Okay. Why Vyatireki Drishtanta is given? When do they give Vyatireka Drishtanta? So there is no Anvai Drishtanta possible. Therefore, there is Vyatireki Drishtanta. Why Anvai Drishtanta is not there? Because there is nothing else which is Niravayava, Nitya, Aja. So Vyatireki Drishtanta. How will the Vyatireki Vyapti work? You know? How is the Anvai Vyapti? How does Anvai Vyapti work? Yatra yatra hetu tatra tatra sadhyam. Yatra hetu tatra sadhyam. So Vyatireka Vyapti will be yatra yatra sadhya bhava tatra tatra hetu bhava. Whenever you have to do Vyatireka, you have to start from sadhya. Because your Vyapya, Vyapaka will change. So yatra yatra sadhya bhava tatra tatra hetu bhava. So here, what is sadhyam? In this Anumana, what is sadhyam? Tattvika Bheda Rahityam. This is how you are. Tattvika Bheda Rahityam is sadhyam. Rahitya means abhava. So Tattvika Bheda Bhava. What is sadhyam? Tattvika Bheda Bhava is sadhyam. So what is sadhya bhava? Means Tattvika Bheda. Tattvika Bheda abhava means Tattvika Bheda. This is sadhya bhava. And what is hetu abhava? Okay, what is hetu first? Take first hetu. Niravayavatvam. So what is Niravayavatva abhava? Niravayavatva abhava. So yatra yatra तात्विक भेद तत्र तत्र निरवयवत्व अभाव. Where there is तात्विक भेद, it is not niravayava vastu. Where there is तात्विक भेद, it is not nitya vastu. Where there is तात्विक भेद, it is not ajam. Like murdadi, there is तात्विक भेद, so it is not niravayava, it is savayava. It is not nitya, it is anitya. It is not aja, it is ja. It is utpanna, janyan. You understood vyapti? Now you use paksha. Paksha has hetu. Brahma has hetu, niravayavattva, nityatva, ajatva. Therefore, paksha will have sadhya. So in Drishtanta, vyapti is there. Mridadi. In Drishtanta, vyapti is there. Vyapti is there means sadhya and hetu both are there. Vyatireki vyapti. Vyatirekana. So hetu is not there. Therefore, sadhya is also, sadhya is not there, hetu is not there. Both are absent. Na ityadina. Okay, so taimirika aneka chandravat rajjuhu sarpadharadibihi bhedaihi iva. And rajju sarpadharadibihi bhedaihi. Rajju is having sarpadharadi bheda. Rajju appears as sarpadhara, udakadhara ityadi. Iva na paramarthataha niravayavattvad atmanaha. So here it is already given. Atma is niravayava. So paramarthataha na bhidyate. Paramartha bheda is not there. Tika. Niravayavattvepi vastunaha sputana dharmatvam ashankya aha. Brahma vastu is niravayava, accepted. Therefore, you said paramartha bheda is not there. But vastunaha sputana dharmatvam is possible. Ashankya. Why? What is sputana dharma? 5 number tippani. Vibhaga dharmatvam. Bhedadhikaranam karanatvam iti yavat. Sputana dharmatvam means vibhaga dharmatvam. It can be adhikarana of bheda. In that, bheda can remain. Vibhaga can be dharma of that dharmi. Sputana dharmatvam means vibhaga dharmatvam. So, sputana means vibhaga dharmo, yasmin, dharmini, sadharmi, sputana dharmi. It will have sputana dharmatvam. Means bheda adhikarana. Savayavam, in Bhashya, Savayavam hi avayava anyathatvena vidyate. Savayava vastu will have avayava as anyathatvena. Savayava vastu will have avayava. Avayava will be anyatha. Anyatha means other than that savayava vastu. So savayava vastu is sharira. Hands, legs, they are avayavas. They are different from sharira. That is bheda. Savayavam hi avayava anyathatvena vidyate. Yatha mrid ghatadi bhedaihi. Just as mrid ghatadi bhedaihi vidyate. So mrid is savayava and ghatadi is karyam. It has bheda. Anyanya bhava is there. Uktam anumanam nigamayati. Tasmat niravayavam ajam. See, all niravayavam ajam, both hetus are given there. Tikakar added nityatva. Niravayavam ajam nanyatha kathanchana kenachidapi prakarena न भिद्यते इति अभिप्रायः. See this line, and now I'm going to ask a question. तस्मान् निरवयवम् अजं नान्यथा कथंचन केनचिदपि प्रकारेण न भिद्यते इति अभिप्रायः. टीका. अन्यथा मीन्स परमार्थत्वेन इत्यर्थः. निरवयवम् अजं परमार्थत्वेन न कथंचन भिद्यते. Then what is the next part? पुनर्नय अनुकर्षणम अन्वयार्थम. पुनर्नय अनुकर्षणम अन्वयार्थम. It is simple. You just have to look at the words properly. And we have to see in Bhashya. Now what is that? Nanyatha. Which na? You have to add. Somebody else said something. See, you have to read this way. Tasman niravayavam ajam. In Bhashya, that line, last line. Tasman niravayavam ajam nanyatha kathanchana kenachid api prakarena bhidyate. Because na is already, it has come. Again he wrote kenachid api prakarena na bhidyate. That na, second time he added, about that this is the line. Punaha means once again this na anukarshanam. Anukarsha means he extracted it from there and put it here again. Na anyatha, if you say already, there is only one na. In the shloka, nanyathajam kathanchana vidyate. This is how the anvaya is. So if you say nanyathajam kathanchana, kathanchana meaning is kenachid api prakarena. Then you should say vidyate. Why na vidyate? So Tikakar says, punaha na anukarshanam. It is only for easy anvaya. Otherwise, to do anvaya of vidyate, you have to bring na from nanyatha. So Bhashyakar wrote it again. But if you read with two na, double negative, then it will change the meaning. That is not what is the intention. So the second na is only brought from the previous na. Punaha na anukarshanam. It is only for anvaya artham. Is it clear now? That is what. You don't have to. That na vidyate is not needed. He has only put it for easy anvaya. So then you don't have to read. So then you should read like this. Tasman niravayavam ajam kathanchana na vidyate. Because he said nanyatha, shloka is what? Niravay ajam nanyatha kathanchana vidyate. But he wrote na, so it may appear that there are two nas, nanyatha and na vidyate. But if you say nanyatha na vidyate, meaning will be opposite of what is said by Karikakar. So that second na, he says it is only for anukarsha. Anukarsha means you have pulled it, you have extracted it from there and put it here again. So it is not making double negative, only one negative. That is the meaning. Punar naya anukarshanam anvaya. It is for easy anvaya. Otherwise, there is vyavahitena sambandha. Na anyatha kathanchana kenachid prakarena vidyate. So vidyate should have na. That na should come from before, so he writes it again. That's the meaning. You can read it in Hindi if it is given. अतः निरवयव और अजन्मा आत्मा माया के अतिरिक्त अन्य किसी भी कारण से भेद वाला नहीं हो सकता. Only one na is required. Right? It is for अन्वय. You see now 6 number टिप्पणी. विद्यते इति क्रियापदेन अन्वयार्थम. That na is there for kriyapadena anvaya. Na anvaya should be happen with kriyapada. Na vidyate. That is what the tippani is. Vidyate iti kriyapadena anvayartham. Punaha na anukarshanam. Okay. Tika further. Karyatva dharmatvanshatvat. कार्यत्व धर्मत्वांशत्वात् धर्मत्वांशत्वादिः अत्र प्रकारो अभिप्रेतः. कार्यत्व धर्मत्व अंशत्वादिः in this way. कार्यत्व धर्मत्व अंशत्वादिः अत्र प्रकारः अभिप्रेतः. प्रकार means type. What type of भेद is not there? Karyatva is not there, dharmatva is not there, anshatva is not there. Whatever भेद that you see otherwise in drishtanta, कार्य कारण भेद, धर्म धर्मी भेद, अंश अंशी भेद, they all are not there. न विद्यते. विपक्षे दोषम वदन द्वितीयार्धम विवृणोति. नाउ इन विपक्ष दोष इज गिवन. द्वितीयार्धम मीन्स सेकंड लाइन. तत्वतो विद्यमाने. इफ यू एक्सेप्ट तत्वतः भेद, देन व्हाट आपत्ति विल बी देयर? तत्वतो विद्यमाने ही अमृतम अजम अद्वयम स्वभावतः सन मर्त्यतां व्रजेत. तत्वतः विद्यमाने. Actually, if there was a भेद, विद्यमाने ही अमृतम अजम अद्वयम स्वभावतः सन मर्त्यतां व्रजेत. स्वभावतः, by its nature, अमृतम अजम अद्वयम वस्तु, ब्रह्म वस्तु, will become mortal. Because now Bheda is there. Bheda means it has become Parichinna. Bheda of Karya Karana or Dharma Dharmi or Amsha Amshi, whatever will make this Aja Vastu Parichinna. If the second entity is a real entity, Tattvika Bheda is there. So the Advaita is not our kalpana. Advaita is so absolute that there is no karya karana, there is no dharma dharmi also. So Brahma is not dharmi and satyam, jnanam, anantam is dharma of Brahma. Even that is not there. And Brahma is amshi and jivatmas are amsha. That is also not there. Otherwise, Brahma will become mortal. Martyatam vrajet. And that is anishtapatti. Why? It is like yatha agnihi shitatam vrajet. Fire becoming cold. So that is not possible. Prasangasya ishtatvam ashankya nirachashte. Somebody says, okay, so what? Okay, so what? It is anishtam. Tacha anishtam. It is anishtapatti. Swabhava vaiparitya gamanam. Swabhava vaiparitya gamanam anishtam. A thing changing its nature is anishta. It will never happen. That's why we say Jiva can never become Brahma. If finite can never become infinite. Mortal can never become immortal. Immortal can never become mortal. In Bhagavad Gita, did I discuss this recently? Second chapter. Second chapter of Gita says, Yam hina vyathayantye purusham purusharshava samadukha sukham dhiram somratapaya kalpatan. So the person who has samadukha sukha, person who is samadukha sukha, person who is dhira, and person who does not get affected by the ups and downs, matra, sparsha, etc. He becomes fit for immortality. Now the question is, Amrutatvam kim? Because you said, so Amrutatvaya kalpate. He becomes fit for Amrutatvam. If he is not already Amrita Swarupa, he cannot become immortal. That is said in the next shloka. Na sato vidyate bhavo, na bhavo vidyate satah. Asata bhava na vidyate. Satah abhava na vidyate. Mortal is always mortal. Immortal is always immortal. Just like Sat is Sat, Asat is Asat. Asat cannot become Sat, Sat cannot become Asat. Mortal cannot become immortal, immortal cannot become mortal. Amritatva and Martyatva, they are not interchangeable. So there itself, in second chapter, 15th shloka itself, this point is hit. 15 introduced, then 16. But there, somebody who does not have the background of all this, anyway, they will have no clue. And most people who generally study only Gita, they don't know what is all this immortality and etc. And there najayate, mriyate va, ajam, nitya, ajo, nitya, shashvata. That aja, people, nobody, unless we think, unless we connect Gita with Mandukya, we will not know they are talking about the same thing. So, this we should be able to think. Similarly, when you think of Amrita Bindu Upanishad, now you see, a Bindu of that Amrita will make you immortal. Amrita Bindu. What is that Bindu? Not that you drink something, you understand you are Amrita Swarupa. You are Amrita. Otherwise, it is never possible. Okay. Svabhava Vaiparitya Gamanam is Anishtam. Sarva Pramana Virodhat. There is Virodha with all Pramana. Therefore, there has to be only Vivartavada. Vivartavadam Upasamharati. Ajam Avyayam Atmatattvam Mayeva Vidyate na Paramarthataha. The Veda is only because of Maya, not Paramarthataha. Paramarthataha na Vidyate. Ajam Avyaya Tattva. Sthite Vivartavade Pharitamaha. When Vivartavada is established, then what is the result of that? Tasmat. Na Paramartha Sat Dvaitam. Therefore, Dvaitam na Paramartha Sat. Then Dvaitam is मिथ्या। सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी and first number also. सर्व प्रमाण विरोधात नहीं प्रत्यक्षादि वह्न्यादिकेषु शैत्यादिकं विषयीकरोति इति भावः। प्रत्यक्षादि प्रमाण वह्न्यादिकेषु शैत्यादिकं न विषयीकरोति। In वह्नि etc. शैत्यम is not seen as प्रत्यक्ष. This is the प्रमाण विरोध। तस्मात् द्वैतात्मक भेदस्य मायिकत्वात्, because द्वैतात्मक भेद is mahika, therefore everything is fine. Further, स्वपक्षम स्वयुध्य पक्षम. Okay, time is over. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।